Hello and welcome back. Today, I would like to introduce Avastick, our new homegrown ticket system which was made mainly for supporting Avastar, but also prepared for upcoming new products as well. Well, what shall I say? We decided to create this tool because all other tools we tried before never quite matched up with our somewhat wild workflow. So, let's walk through the basics of Avastick by creating a demo ticket, keeping track of its status, and staying synced via email and Discord. On your product download page, you now find a new top menu entry named Support. On your first visit, you will land on a short welcome page. If you have purchased any of our products, then you will see them listed alongside with a big Enter Avastick button. Click that button to open the Avastick dashboard. The dashboard usually shows every ticket you've created, but right now it's empty. Of course, since we have no tickets yet. So let's click Create Your First Ticket to get started. Now the ticket form opens. Start with a short, clear title. Then choose the product the issue belongs to. Some products ask for extra details, like your blender version or product version, for example. So watch for the required markers and fill in all requested information. In the description area, you can type normally or use the markdown toolbar for bold text, lists, and some more fancy stuff. A live preview sits right below, so you see exactly how it will look before you save. You can also attach screenshots, log files, even .blend files. Just drag them from your file selector into the ticket descriptor. After you upload a file attachment, you will see a token placed right into the ticket editor at the current cursor location. The format is always the same: an opening bracket, the letter A, the attachment number, and then the closing bracket. If the token is placed at the wrong location in your text, you can just cut and paste it to the correct location. When you look into the previewer below the editor, you see the token is converted to a clickable link. However, if the attachment is an image, it will instead be shown in line. Please use this feature sparsely and keep the number of attachments well under about 10. Also, keep each attachment as small as possible so we don't run out of server space. Okay, so once you've precisely described your issue, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Create Ticket button. After that, we can start processing your request. But beware, we can't work magic. Some tickets can be solved quickly, while others may take longer. The response time depends on the nature of your issue, how clearly you've described it, when you submitted the ticket, and how many other requests are already in our queue. You can follow the progress of your ticket by watching the ticket progress field. As you can see, you can hover the status to read a quick hint. Right now, we support the following states. New, your ticket just arrived. We just created our ticket, so we are now in this state. Working, support is on it, means someone has become aware of your tickets and started investigating. Need info. Sometimes we need to ask back for more detail. In that case, we will add a comment to your ticket and we will set the ticket progress status to Need info. This is a call for action to you. We are waiting for your reply. Fixed, rejected, won't fix. Once we have investigated your issue, we ideally set the ticket to one of these states together with a final comment, so you know if there was anything to fix, what we actually have fixed, or why we did not fix anything. Tickets also have a lock state you control. Click the lock icon in the ticket header to close it, for example when you've solved the issue yourself, or reopen it if more work is needed. Please add a short note each time so everyone knows why the lock state changed. And finally, we have implemented one more handy feature. If you want to change details, for example, add information to your ticket description, tap the pencil icon in the top row of your ticket. Now you can start editing, and when done, save your edits. I already mentioned comments a minute ago. We typically add comments whenever the ticket status changes, but you also can add more comments at any time. You find the comments editor directly under the ticket. Each comment can be created in pretty much the same way as we just created the ticket. You can type your comment, add additional attachments related to your comment for further illustrations, and you can add attachment IDs directly into the comment as you did already in the ticket description. So these were the basics of our ticket system, the bare necessities, so to speak. Now let's get into the spicy parts. You've seen the little bell icon? Here you can tell Avastick to give you a short bing whenever something in one of your tickets changes. So you do not need to frequently check if your ticket was already resolved. Just wait for the bing. And if you find this annoying, disable it, and Avastick will remain quiet. However, there is another way to notify you. You can enable desktop notifications. Then you get a short note right in your desktop whenever your ticket changes. Some may prefer this over the Bing method. But we are not done yet. There is also this email icon. With it, you can let Avastick send you an email whenever a ticket status changes or when a new comment arrives. This feature can only work when you tell us which email we should use for the notifications. The good news is, it's stupid easy to set up. Just hit the email icon. If you have not done so yet, it will open the account page where you can configure your email settings. And if your email is already set up, you can simply enable or disable email notifications from here. But there is a little caveat here. You can specify whichever email you like to use. But we have to verify your email in order to avoid malicious use of this feature. Only when we can be sure the email belongs to you, we will use it. You also must know that we use this email only for notifications and for nothing else. You think that was it? No, we still have the cherry on top for you. Discord mirroring, this is our superpower. In order to use this feature, you need to connect your Discord identity with your Avalab identity. Then, once it's connected in your account page and enabled for your ticket, the title, description, and image attachments automatically appear in our ticket support channel on Discord. Folks in the community can not only follow what tickets have been created, what solution has been provided, no, they can even reply in the channel, and their comments will flow back into the ticket with a small Discord badge so you know where the comment came from. But since this feature makes your ticket visible to everybody, you might feel uncomfortable with that. Then you can easily keep the mirror off. Then all communication and all attachments stay private. You can switch the mirror back on later. We have decided to disable this feature when you create a new ticket, but you can switch the Discord mirror back on at any time later. Okay, so we are at the end for now. I am sure we will add more features over time to make the ticket system even more powerful. But let's first work with what we have for a while, and then add more when needed. That's Avastick, in a nutshell, a long overdue organizer for all your issues related to our products. So let the Avaforce be with you. Use the Avastick when you hit an issue and help us to make our products super awesome. Then together we will keep the tools growing. So for now, have a nice day and make super cool 3D art.